Hello, I'm Laura from Foundry and welcome to Modo 15.0. In this quick clip, I'll be demonstrating the new mode available for Mesh Fusion called Select Source Mode, found in the Fusion panel. When Select Source Mode is enabled, you can quickly select any source mesh of a Mesh Fusion item by clicking on its surface. As you can see, the source mesh relating to that area of the Mesh Fusion item is selected in the item list and is revealed in the 3D viewport. By default, Auto Select is an enabled setting in the Mesh Fusion panel. This is a very useful setting that isolates visibility to your selected source mesh and automatically disables visibility for unselected source meshes. If you toggle off Auto Select, you'll have manual control over the visibility of source meshes in the 3D viewport. Auto Select also makes manipulating source meshes much easier because the 3D viewport only displays the meshes you were working on in that moment. In Select Source Mode, you can set a fusion role to your selected source meshes. For example, here I am selecting two source meshes, and then applying an intersection role to both of them. As you can see, they've intersected with the primary cube item, and when I drop my source mesh selection entirely, the final Mesh Fusion item is clearly visible in the 3D viewport. Any changes you might want to make to the relationships of the source meshes is easily done. Just enable Select Source Mode, select your source mesh, and assign a new role. When you have a Fusion mode enabled, they will also appear in the toolbar above the 3D viewport when you select a Mesh Fusion item. This way you'll have constant visibility on your active mode without being restricted to the Fusion panel. You can also control the polygon opacity of visible source meshes using the polygon opacity setting under the Viewport Shading Presets subheading. But be aware, it's only compatible with the Advanced Viewport and the Advanced Viewport presets.